We're going to go over the second common task, personalize your homepage. You're going to hit go there. This is the home page of your website. So you can see here the background picture, the picture of me. I'm going to go to the front tab so you can see what it looks like up front. Here's all the info. Now I'm going back to the back door of the website. And the first thing is a homepage title. You can change this if you want. If you have something catchy, short and sweet that you want to change this to, something like welcome home, you can do that. So secondly, for the background image, you can choose or upload to change your own picture. Okay, so right now I have this picture here. I'm going to upload, and just like any upload on the computer, I can do it from the computer, or I can go to image gallery, which are provided images for me so that I can use. Let's see here. I like this one. So as I select it, I get this little blue box down here that says select for custom area. I'm going to hit it and you will see it change. All right, we're going to go through and make a few changes and we'll look at them all together. Here you will find your picture, whatever we have in Dash for you. If you want to change it on your website, you can hit this, choose an image, and upload from your computer, just like I showed in the last section with the background. Down here is your info. This will be your name. For the title, we're using Realtor with the trademark R. So Realtor is all caps and it should appear with the R. If you are on a Mac, you can hit Option R. If you're on a Windows machine, you can either hold down Alt plus 0174, or you can try to hold down Control, Alt, and R at the same time. If that doesn't work for you, if that doesn't give you that R right there, go find yourself another internet tab, R trademark symbol, copy it from here, bring it back, and paste it. So office name, Century 21. I'm logged into AAA, so Century 21 AAA with a dash, and then the office name. This is important for search engines to have that together. The word Century should all be capitalized. Your phone numbers are pulled directly in from Dash. Make sure those are correct. And then, of course, your email is also from Dash, and make sure that is correct. If you need to change your phone numbers, you can do that there. If you need to change your email, please email us and let us know so that we can change it in Dash. The next section down is the welcome text section. So for the welcome text, you can see here I have welcome text here, and then I have a little bio that I had ChatGPT help me write. I'm going to go to the front side of the website just so you can see what it looks like. And it's right here, welcome text here, and then here is my bio. So if you're looking at the search focused, or if you chose the search focus back in video 1, your front page will look a little different. Okay, your search will be up top, your picture will be lower, and this will also be lower. So one thing that I like to add is my heading here. Make sure that you choose and make it an actual heading. And if you don't see all of the information here, you're going to click on this toggle toolbar, and you will then get some options where you can change the font family, change the size, change the color. But what I like to do here with this first thing is I like to make sure it is a heading. And the reason why I do that is so that the search engines will index it. When the search engines index, they prioritize headings. So it's good to put something that you want to be known for here. So think of it as Jay Bellinger, your real estate agent in Macomb. Something along those lines, whatever yours is, something short, sweet, to the point. Make it a heading so that it will get indexed and prioritized above the other things on that page.